Are you afraid of losing your domain because you can't find the renewal button? Here's exactly how to renew it in Namecheap in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact clicks from your account panel to the renewal page. No fluff, just the steps. All right, let's start right at the beginning. The first thing you need to do is go to the Namecheap account panel. That's ap.namecheap.com. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything from billing to your domains. Just open that link in your browser. Now, once you're in your account panel, you're going to look over on the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with a few different options. The one you want to click is called Account. It sounds straightforward, but a lot of people scroll right past it looking for a big renewal button. Don't do that. Just click on Account. So now you're in the Account section. From here, you need to find your domain list. Look for the option that says Domain List and click on it. This is where all your registered domains live, the ones you own and manage through Namecheap. After you click Domain List the first time, it might look like nothing happened. Sometimes the menu just expands. So click on Domain List again, the same option. This will actually load your full list of domains. I've seen people get stuck here thinking it didn't work, so just give it that second click. Now you should see all your domains on screen. This is the part where a lot of people start to panic because they just look for a renewal button next to their domain name and it's not always obvious. Here's the trick. Over on the far right of the screen, there's a button for each domain labeled Actions. Go ahead and click on that Actions button for the domain you want to renew. A little drop-down menu will appear. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options. You're looking for one specific thing. Scroll down or look through the list until you see Renew Expiring. Click on that. Now you're taken to a screen where you can actually configure your renewal. There's going to be a highlighted area or a prompt that you need to click on or confirm. In my experience, just click on that highlight to move forward. It's usually asking you to confirm the domain you want to renew. Finally, you'll be asked to click on the actual domain name itself. This confirms the selection and sends you to the checkout screen. From there, you can choose how many years you want to renew it for and complete the payment. And that's it. Seriously. From panicking about an expiring domain to confidently renewing it in just a couple of minutes, you don't have to hunt around the dashboard anymore. You know the exact path now. Hopefully this saved you some stress the next time that expiration date rolls around.